Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making the amazing sweet chili chicken. This was served up with some Christmas rice. Make sure to check the link out for that. And let's jump right into this video. The list of the ingredients will also be in the description box along with the measurements. You can marinate the chicken overnight or you can let this sit for about 2 hours. We are going to bake this chicken for 40 minutes, 20 minutes cover, 20 minutes uncover. Make sure to flip the chicken halfway through, place it on a serving dish, pour the remaining juice, and this is what it looks like, guys. I hope you all tried this recipe. It is so easy, absolutely delicious. If you guys are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. And hope you guys have a wonderful holiday. See you all on the next video. Bye bye.